Hello students, let us continue our discussion on logarithms. Next, find the value of log 243 to the base root 3 value. Find the value of log 243 to the base root 3. Value of this expression is, we don't know what is value of log 243 base 243 to the base root 3 value. So take it as some unknown value x. Log 243 to the base root 3 equal to some value x, because we don't know what is this value. Log 243 to the base root 3 value. So take it as some unknown value x. Then write its exponential notation. It is logarithmic notation. What is its corresponding exponential notation? Exponential notation is root 3 power x equal to 243. After that, 3 power 1 by 2 whole thing power x, because root 3x root square root of 3 is nothing but 3 power 1 by 2 whole thing power x. Then 243 is nothing but 3 power 5. If you multiply 3 5 times, then it gives 243. Then 3 power x by 2 equal to 3 power 5. Bases are equal means powers are also equal. Bases are equal implies powers are equal. So x by 2 is equal to 5 implies x equal to 10. X value 10 means, x10 means this logarithmic value is 10. Therefore, log 243 to the base root 3 equal to 243 to the base root 3 value is 10. First write its exponential notation, then simplify. Next problem, find the value of log 1024 to the base 4. Find the value of log 1024 to the base 4. Again it is unknown quantity, so take it as some unknown value x. Let log 1024 to the base 4 equal to some value x, or else you can take it as any other variable. After that, write its exponential notation. Exponential notation is 4 power x equal to 1024. Then 4 power x equal to 1024, clearly it is multiple of 4. If you multiply 4 5 times, 4 into 4 into 4, 1024. Now bases are equal means powers are equal, so x equal to 5. X value is nothing but this logarithm. Therefore, log 1024 to the base 4 is 5. Next problem, find the value of log 216 to the base 6. 216 to the base 6 value. Clearly it is unknown quantity, so take it as some value x. Log 216 to the base 6 equal to, take it as some other value x, or else any other alphabet x or y or p. After this, write its logarithmic notation, exponential notation. What is its exponential notation? 6 power x equal to 216. 6 power x equal to 216. Then it will be 6 power x equal to 6 power 3 only. If you multiply 6 3 times, then you get 216. So clearly bases are equal means powers are equal. So x equal to power x equal to 3. X value 3 means what is x? X is nothing but log 216 to the base 6 equal to 3. Means this logarithmic value is 3. Next one, find the value of find the value of log of 625 to the base 5 value. Log of 625 to the base 5. Let us take log 625 to the base 5 is equal to some unknown quantity x, or else you can take it as y. After this, write its exponential notation. What is its exponential notation? 5 for x equal to 625. Then 5 for x equal to 625 is nothing but 5 power 4. 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, 125 into 5 is 625. Therefore, again bases are equal. Bases are same means powers are also same. So x equal to 4. What is x? X is nothing but this logarithm. Therefore, log 625 to the base 5 value is 4. Next, find the value of log 324 to the base 3 root 2. Find the value of log 324 to the base 3 root 2. Now, again it is unknown quantity. Take it as some value x. Log 324 to the base 3 root 2 equal to x. After that, write its exponential notation. 3 root 2 power x equal to 324. Just rearrangement. Square root of. Take this 3 inside the square root. Then it becomes 3 square. Means 9 into 2 remains as it is 1 to the power x equal to 324. Take this 3 inside the square root, then it will be 3 square. 3 square is 9 into 2 is 18. Square root of 18 to the power x equal to 324. That is square of 18. 18 into 18, that is 324. Next, 18 power x divided by 2 is equal to 18 power 2. Clearly, bases are equal means powers are equal. Therefore, x by 2 is equal to 2 means x value is 4. Just cross multiplication. X value 4 means x4 means this logarithmic value is 4. Therefore, log 324 to the base 3 root 2 is 4. This logarithmic value is 4. Next, find the value of log 32 to the base 2 root 2. Find the value of log 32 to the base 2 root 2. Let log 32 to the base 2 root 2 is equal to some value x. After that, what is its exponential notation? 2 root 2 to to the power x equal to 32. Now take this 2 inside the square root. Then it will be square root of 4 into 2 whole thing power x equal to 2 power 5 it is. 32 is nothing but 2 power 5. Next, this is nothing but 8 to the power x divided by 2, because square root is nothing but whole thing power 1 by 2 into x is x by 2 is equal to 2 power 5. Now what is 8? 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 2 cube whole thing power x by 2 is equal to 2 power 5. After this 2 power 3x divided by 2 equal to 2 power 5. Now bases are equal means powers are equal. 3x divided by 2 is equal to 5. Then x equal to 10 divided by 3. X value is 10 by 3 means this logarithmic value is 10 by 3. This logarithmic value is 10 by 3. Cross multiplication 10 divided by 3. Next, find the value of log 625 into root 5 to the base 5 value. Find the value of, let us take 625 into root 5 to the base 5 equal to some value x. Then what is 5 power x value? Then find exponential notation. What is its exponential notation? Let us take log 625 into root 5 to the base 5 is equal to some quantity x. Then write its exponential notation. 5 power x equal to 625 into root 5. Then 5 power x equal to 625 is nothing but 5 power 4. 5 power 3 is 125 into 5 is 625 into 5 power 1 divided by 2. Root is nothing but 1 by 2. In RHS apply a power m into a power n formula. 5 power x equal to 5 power 4 plus 1 by 2. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. 5 power m, 5 power 4 plus 1 by 2. Now bases are equal means powers are equal, therefore x equal to, or taking LCM, or else write 4 plus 1 by 2. It gives 9 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to 9 divided by 2. Taking LCM, 8 plus 1 divided by 2. 9 by 2 means this logarithmic value is 9 by 2. Log 625 into root 5 to the base 5 is 9 divided by 2. Next problem. Find the value of log 0.001 to the base 0.01. Let log 0.001 to the base 0.01 equal to some quantity x. Then what is its exponential notation? 0.01 to the power x equal to 0.001. Now I will write 0.01 is same as 1 divided by 100. 0.01 is nothing but 1 divided by 100 is equal to 0.001 is nothing but 1 divided by 1000. Then I will write 10 power minus 2 whole thing power x, because 1 divided by 100 means 1 divided by 10 whole square. 10 square, 1 divided by 10 whole square. Take it in the numerator, then it becomes 10 power minus 2. Similarly, in RHS it becomes 10 power minus 3. 1000 is nothing but 10 power 3. Now 10 power minus 2x equal to 10 power minus 3. Now bases are equal means powers are equal. So minus 2x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3 divided by 2. Means this logarithmic value is 3 divided by 2. Logarithmic value is 3 divided by 2. Next one. Find the value of log 1000 to the base 0.01. What is its value? Just write its exponential notation, then simplify. Take it as some random value x. After that 0.01 whole thing power x equal to 1000. Then 0.01 is nothing but 1 divided by 100 to the power x equal to 1000 is nothing but 10 power 3. Then it will be 10 power minus 2x equal to 10 power 3. Then bases are equal means minus 2x equal to 3. X value minus 3 divided by 2. X value minus 3 divided by 2 means this logarithmic value. Log 1000 to the base 0.01 is minus 3 divided by 2. Logarithmic value may be negative, but log not defined for negative number. Log of negative numbers is not possible. Log value may be negative. Log of 1000 to the base 0.01 is minus 3 by 2. Find the value of log 100 to the base 0.1. Second one, log 512 to the base 2 root 2. Log 81 to the base 3 root 3. Log 512 to the base 4. Find the values of the following. Do these problems as homework. Next one. Find the value of log x plus 3. Find the value of x if log of x plus 3 to the base 3 equal to 2. If log x plus 3 to the base 3 equal to 2, then what is value of x? Clearly given log x plus 3 to the base 3 equal to 2 is given. What is its exponential notation? 3 square. 3 square equal to x plus 3. What is 3 square value? 9. 9 equal to x plus 3. Then what is x value? X equal to 6. Next, find the value of x if 0.008 to the base x equal to 3. Find the value of x if log of 0.008 to the base x equal to 3. In this case, log 0.008 to the base x equal to 3 is given. Just write its exponential notation. What is its exponential notation? X cube is equal to x power 3 equal to, or x cube equal to 0.008. So x cube equal to 0.2 whole cube. In this case, clearly powers are equal implies bases are equal. Powers are equal. 3 equal to 3. Then x equal to, therefore x equal to 0.2. X value is 0.2. Next, find the value of x if log of base 2 log of base 3 of log x to the base 2 equal to 1. In this case, find the value of x if log of base 2 log of base 3 log x to the base 2 equal to 1. Then find the value of x. First, treat this as some quantity x. Treat this as one value. This is like log x. Like log a to the base 2 equal to 1. If log a to the base 2 equal to 1, then what is a value? Write its exponential notation. 2 power 1 equal to a. Treat this as a. Clearly, treat this as one value. Treat this as one value. Log of any expression to the base 2 equal to 1. Write its exponential notation. Then what is its exponential notation? Treat this as x. For example, log x to the base a equal to y. Log x to the base a equal to y, then what is its exponential notation? A power y is equal to x. In place of x we have this quantity, this expression. Then 2 power 1 equal to this quantity. In place of x we have this expression. So log of base 3 of log x to the base 2 equal to 2 power 1 equal to this quantity. Next, log of base 3 of log x to the base 2 equal to 2. Again treat this as some value x. Log of log x to the base 2 to the base 3 equal to 2 means write its exponential notation. What is its exponential notation? While writing exponential notation, treat this as one quantity x or p. Suppose log x to the base a equal to y. Then what is exponential notation? A power y equal to x. Like in place of x we have this quantity. Then what is its exponential notation? 3 square equal to log x to the base 2. Now log x to the base 2 equal to 9. Then now write exponential notation. What is x? Or 2 power 9 equal to, just write exponential notation. 2 power 9 equal to x implies 512. X value is 512. Thank you.